talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to this window here of Telegram and you will click in this page as you see. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi games. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.